Sierra Circuits has introduced the Power Distribution Network Analyzer for efficient power distribution network analysis. With this tool, you can effortlessly calculate the target impedance of your PDN rail and determine either the maximum frequency or the fastest rise time when you input the relevant parameters. To calculate the target impedance, enter power rail voltage, acceptable voltage ripple percentage, maximum power rail current, and switching current percentage, and then hit on Calculate. The tool does the rest. Click Save to Table to store your calculation results for future reference. You can even add calculations for multiple power rails in the same table. Click Export to Excel to download the table in Excel for design documentation. The PDN Analyzer tool offers even more. Let's say you want to determine the maximum frequency your PDN can handle or the fastest rise time your signals can achieve. To calculate maximum frequency, enter the fastest rise time you desire for your signals and click Calculate to find the corresponding maximum frequency your PDN can handle. To calculate fastest rise time, enter the maximum frequency you need and click Calculate to determine the fastest achievable rise time for your signals based on the target impedance. Power Distribution Network Analyzer empowers you to design a robust and reliable power distribution network. Visit Sierra Circuits website and try the Power Distribution Network Analyzer today.